Caritas Bangladesh has more than 14 years experience in implementing human trafficking related programs, and it has been working with potential migrants and their families, and also returnees since 2010. Caritas Bangladesh has focused on empowering grassroots organizations, civil society, and community leaders to identify and prevent trafficking risk. Caritas Bangladesh has also trained community leaders, school students, university students, college students, and law enforcement agencies on these issues. At present, Caritas Bangladesh is implementing a number of projects that are related to stop human trafficking and supporting trafficking victims and also for safe migrations. The major activities of the projects are to organize public awareness sessions against human trafficking, to work with the government to organize different advocacy events in partnership with public and private sectors, to provide legal service, counseling service, and economic empowerment service to trafficking victims. Besides, Caritas Bangladesh is providing ICT services to potential migrants. Through the ICT services, the potential migrants are getting useful information like visa verification, verification of the job contract, law of the country, and the services available in the country for safe migration. As a member of CodeNet and to express solidarity, Caritas Bangladesh takes part in the International Day of Prayer and Awareness Against Human Trafficking on 8 February each year.
There is a big population of Myanmar nationals forcefully displaced to Bangladesh, and they have been staying in this camp. The number is about 1 million. So Caritas Bangladesh has been working here for the protection of children and the women. In the whole country, we have been working on the protection issue of children and women. And we have our gender policy, we have our child protection policy, and we have our safeguarding policy. So following those policies, we have been working, and still trafficking is going on. It has not been stopped, but we believe it will be stopped one day.
Stop human trafficking.